So what is it? It is the happiness day for Muslim. When you win the game and get the reward, you are filled with happiness and joy.
It's just what we were all waiting for. This is also the reward day for our fasting. Right now, we should ask ourselves, have we done our fasting properly to get the rewards from Allah? If we have not, we don't need to be hopeless. Because right now, there are still just a few more days left before Eid.
We should try our best during remaining days of Ramadan. There are two groups of people when returning from Eid prayer. One group is the losers and the disappointers, and the other group is the people has the reward and is grateful. So we should try to be like the second groups of people, because then we will be successful before going to Eid prayer. We should give our zakatul fitr to the poor people so that we can purify our fasting.
When we are wearing our best outfit for Eid, we are recognizing the kindness of Allah. It also involves beautification because Allah is beautiful and He loves the which is beautiful. We should enjoy our day and have lots of fun. Eid is the day of our happiness. So during this day, we should make other people happy. By doing that, we will be happy and Allah will be happy as well.
Eid is bring all people a smile.